Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm so excited to be trying out a $1 makeup product, and it's this here, which does not look like a $1 product. This is a huge pan of blush, and this is from the brand Starry, and it's the Precious Mineral Lightweight Blush. Long-lasting, smooth finish, natural glow. And I got this from ShopMissA, so it only cost, like I was saying, $1, and it's cruelty-free. This comes in 3 different shades on the ShopMissA website, and I have this in shade number 6. It's darker in person than I was thinking. Online, I was trying to choose the most bronzy blush because, surprisingly, I love a more brown toned blush, and I say that's surprising because I would think that I would want like the bright pink, the pinky purple blushes, but just throughout this series I have learned that I like the kind of beach rose type of blush on my skin the most because then it really warms up my skin tone, whereas those 2 pinky or purpley ones I think actually kind of wash me out and look too much like the irritation redness that I naturally am always getting in my cheeks. But so even though this one looks dark, I'm just going to try and go in with a light hand because I do really like the tone of it. It's like I was saying, more of that bronzy look. It also looks like it has some slight shimmer in it, so I want to start with a swatch. Ooh, and it is a little bit speckled. If you can see there what I mean. This is actually looking beautiful. It's looking lighter, more of that beachy rose, and it's looking like it has some shine to it. Not just shimmer sparkle, which it really actually doesn't have like silver sparkle. It just has like that glow, like a shining glow. Wow, I am very pleasantly surprised by that texture, and this shade is what I was actually hoping to get. So yay, I am so excited to see how this is going to be on my cheeks. It also does not seem to be as intensely pigmented as I was worried it would be. I think I can actually hopefully use like the regular amount and pressure that I would typically use. So just picking up a blush brush here. I'll start out with just that much, just one little tap into the pan. Okay, this is amazing. It is so incredibly perfect. Look at that shade, how it just really does warm up my skin. It gives it that sun-kissed look, not a flushed redness, irritated red. It's like a sun-kissed, beautiful color. And then it looks so smooth, undetectable on the skin. I feel like I barely applied enough to really even see that sheen. So I'll go in with a little bit more, but I will say that's probably the perfect amount, but for the fun of it, I can't resist just layering up a bit more because I kind of want to see a little bit more of that sheen, a little bit of a slightly highlight effect. Let's see. It blends out so easily as well. But what do we think? It doesn't do too much to add that glow to the skin. I think I really would have to layer it up quite a bit to see that sheen, but it still looks so smooth. It doesn't look dry or cakey or powdery, and that color is seriously exactly what I was hoping for. Yay! I think this is going to be my new blush, and it's only $1. I'm gonna have to stock up on this because it is just so perfect. Perfect color, perfect texture, perfect price. And see how it just blends out so easily? When I first press it onto my cheek and I have that kind of ring, the spot of it, and how it just so easily blends out, smooths out. And I really think just one tap of the brush into the pan is all I need. So this is going to be able to last me for a long time. I like to bring it up over my nose a bit. Oh, I'm so excited. See, I wouldn't normally think to get, I guess technically the darkest shade on the ShopMissA website, but in this case, it's just the tone. It doesn't have anything to do with like going from light to dark based off of number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I think this is such a beautiful shade if you want to give that sun-kissed look to your skin tone. I love finding $1 products that I absolutely want to recommend to you, my friends, my family, everyone. I'm so excited about this blush. I love it. It's seriously gonna go right upstairs with me now to be my new daily blush. So let me know in the comments down below, what is your daily blush that's on your makeup counter? And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow.